Now go like run underneath there so we can see them all.
Holy smokes!
I told you, it's crazy. That was it? They're all...
What? Can I go take a picture of them over there?
That's where I'm going. Oh, it won't.
Everywhere.
I'm gonna get pooped on.
What?
I'm gonna get pooped on.
Yeah.
Look at all of them. Holy cow. What is going on?